I lost my wallet. Liam, I think I lost my wallet. I can't find it.
Really? Where did you last see it?
At the cafe. I paid for my sandwich there.
Did you check your bag?
Yes, I checked. It's not inside.
Did you check your jacket pockets?
I checked everything. It's not there.
Don't worry. Maybe it's still at the cafe.
I hope so. My ID and cards are inside.
Let's go back and look again.
Do you think someone took it?
I don't think so. People are usually honest.
I feel really stressed.
It's okay. We will find it.
I really need that wallet today.
We can ask the staff at the cafe.
Yes, maybe someone returned it.
Let's stay calm and check.
Thank you for helping me.
Of course. I'm here with you.
How do you usually start your day?
Good morning, Mark. How do you usually start your day?
Good morning, Sophia. I usually wake up at 6.
6? That's early. What do you do after you wake up?
First, I drink water and stretch a little.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, I eat breakfast at home. I like eggs and toast.
Sounds nice. Do you check your phone in the morning?
Not really. I try to avoid my phone early.
That's a good habit. When do you start work?
I start work at 8, so I leave home at 7:30.
Do you drive to work?
No, I ride my bike. It's faster for me.
Wow, that sounds healthy.
Yes, I enjoy it. Fresh air helps me wake up.
After work, do you relax or exercise?
I relax. I watch a show or listen to music.
Your routine sounds good and balanced.
Thank you. How do you start your day?
I wake up late, and I hurry every morning.
Maybe you can try waking up 10 minutes earlier?
Maybe I will. It could help.
Small changes can make a big difference.
I missed my train.
Noah, I missed my train. I can't believe it.
Really? What happened?
I arrived late. The train left 1 minute ago.
That's unlucky. When is the next train?
I checked the screen. The next one is in 30 minutes.
30 minutes isn't too bad.
I needed to be on time. I have an appointment.
Can you call them and tell them you're late?
Yes, but I still feel stressed.
Take a deep breath. It's not your fault.
I woke up late this morning. Everything is slow today.
It happens to everyone. Don't be so hard on yourself.
Thanks. I just hate waiting.
We can talk while we wait. Time will pass faster.
That sounds nice. Maybe I need a distraction.
Yes, thinking about it only makes it worse.
You always stay calm. How do you do that?
I try to accept the situation and focus on the next step.
I like that. I want to think like that too.
You can. You're already doing it.
Thank you for being here with me.
Always. You don't have to face things alone.
What is one habit you want to change?
Ethan, what is one habit you want to change?
I want to stop checking my phone all the time.
Really? How often do you check it?
Every 5 minutes. It's crazy.
What do you want to do instead?
I want to read more and spend less time online.
That sounds like a healthy change.
Yes, but it's difficult. I always grab my phone without thinking.
Maybe you can turn off notifications.
That's a good idea. Less distraction.
I have a habit I want to change too.
What habit do you want to change?
I go to bed very late. I want to sleep earlier.
Why do you stay up late?
I watch videos and lose track of time.
I understand. It happens to me too.
Maybe we can help each other.
Yes, we can motivate each other.
Great. You remind me to sleep, and I remind you to stop scrolling.
Deal. Let's become better together.
I forgot my password. Alex, I forgot my password again. I can't log in.
Oh no. Which password did you forget?
My email password. I tried 3 times.
Did you write it down somewhere?
I thought I did, but I can't find the note.
Do you use the same password for everything?
No, I try to make them different.
That's good, but harder to remember.
I feel so frustrated right now.
It's okay. Don't stress. You can reset it.
I know, but I hate changing passwords.
Maybe use something simple but safe.
Like what? I always forget.
Use a short phrase. Something you like.
Like tea every morning?
Yes, exactly. Easy to remember.
That could work. I'll try it.
You got this. No stress.